I'm back again because today is Sunday, so I'm going to solve more LeetCode questions today. And this question is count good nodes in the binary tree. And we're given a binary tree a node x in the tree is named good if in the path from row to x there are no nodes with a value greater than x. We need to return the number of good nodes in the binary tree. So let's take the first one as example. Our first node, which is root of the tree, will definitely be a good node, right? And then the left node is not a good node because 3 is its parent and greater than 1. So that means the current one is not good node because it has parents which are greater than itself. Then 3. And we know from the root to the left, from here to here to here, the path is 3, 1, 3. We know on this path there's no nodes with a value greater than these 3. So that means these 3 will be a good node, right? So these are similar and 1 because on the path 3, 4, 1, we know that 3 is larger than 1, 4 is larger than 1, so 1 is not a good node. So this is the explanation of what is good nodes. So here, how can we solve this? How can we find the number of good nodes? Actually, what you need to do is to traverse through the tree and keep the maximum number on the path. When you reach out to some specific node, you need to keep the previous nodes, the previous nodes on the path. We need to keep the maximum number on the path, and then we will determine if the maximum number is larger than the current node. If it's larger than the current node, that means the current node is not good node. But if the current node is bigger than the maximum number on the path, that means the current node is good node, right? Yeah, it's a little bit confusing. I hope you can understand. And so let's start coding. So we need to return the number of good node. So here I need to use the global variable to keep the number when I traverse through the tree. I will use answer as the global variable to keep the number of good nodes. Okay, then I will write a function which is depth first search function. Yeah, I will do depth first search to traverse through the tree. And then the parameters are root, the reference of node, right? And the previous maximum number on the path. So here, if the node is none, we just need to return nothing. Yeah, to stop the depth first search recursion, right? And otherwise, we need to determine if the current value is larger or equal than the previous maximum number on the path. If it is larger than the previous number, we will that means the current node is a good node, so we will update our answer. Yeah, we'll add 1 to it, and then our previous maximum number will be updated as well because we need to use it in the further recursion. So yeah, then let's go into our further recursion. First root left, yeah, traverse to the road left and the road right. Then we need to call our function. Yeah, here the first root is our root of the tree. The first node is our root of the tree, and because there's no path, right, to reach out to the there's no path of reaching out to the first node. So the previous maximum number, we will just give it a default number, okay? And yeah, then what we need to do is to return our answer. Sorry, this is a global, this is we need to use self here. Yeah, so that's all for the solution. Let's run some tests to check if it's correct. Oh, I'm sorry. I need to pass the previous maximum number as an argument, right? Let's run again. Yeah, I think it's correct. Let's submit the result to check. Yeah, I totally doubt the percentage here is incorrect because I use the same code, but the percentage here are different every time. It's different every time. So I completely believe that this percentage is a wrong number. Don't believe it. So that's all for today's LeetCode question. Hopefully it is helpful. Let's see each other in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.